Ready to star in your own mini movie with your besties? Let's dive into the hilarious world of Snapchat cameos and transform your conversations into laugh out loud moments. First, open up Snapchat and head over to the chat window with the friend you want to cameo with. This is where the magic begins. See that little sticker icon next to the text bar? Tap it. This will open the sticker menu where we can find cameos. At the top of the sticker menu, you'll see a search bar. Type cameos in here. Don't tap on it to send a text message. Type it to search for the cameo sticker option. A bunch of awesome cameo options will pop up. Browse through the ones that look fun or relevant to your conversation. Once you find a cameo you like, tap on it now. Get ready for your close-up. Snapchat will then ask you to take a selfie. Make sure your face fits nicely within the provided outline. This is how Snapchat will map your face onto the cameo. Bam! There you are, starring in your chosen cameo. If you want to change your selfie, just tap on the cameo again, and you'll get the option to retake it. Happy with your performance? Hit that send button, and your personalized cameo will be sent to your friend. Now, sit back and enjoy the reactions. Sending cameos back and forth with one another elevates the chat in a fun, exciting way. Pro tip: the more you use cameos, the more suggestions will show up when you type in the search bar, shortening time, making it more efficient. So go on, create some hilarious memories with your friends using Snapchat cameos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. #Snapchat cameos, #friendship goals.